Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about TikTok community guidelines violation problem. If you're facing this problem, so how can you fix that? First of all, open the TikTok application and go to profile, which is on the most right corner on the bottom side. And once you're inside the profile section, just click on the three lines from the upper right corner and go inside settings and privacy, which is the last option. And once you're inside the settings and privacy, you just need to scroll down and you will see help center inside the support and about. Just click on help center, and inside the help center you can see like support tickets if you have already submitted any ticket. Otherwise you can just click on chat with us, and once you click on chat with us, you will see an interface like this one, as you can see. So from here, just click on this, any of the option doesn't really matter, but let's say I click on the first one, which is account. And once you click on the account, so just click on any other option. Let's say like this one, I want to delete a repost or anything like that. And once it's regenerated, you just have to dislike the answer, just dislike it. And once you dislike it, as you can see, we have received your feedback. Is there anything help that we can help with? So just write down support ticket and submit it, and it might take a few seconds. As you can see, you will be able to get the option submit a ticket. So just click on submit a ticket, and in this section you just need to paste the video link that you are facing the violation. You can also attach the video or the screenshot as well, and just write down the problem along with the video link, that this is the video, this is your original content, but you're facing this problem for some reasons. Kindly review it. This is your original content, or whatever your reason is, just describe it briefly and just say thank you at the end, and just click on submit. Once you click on submit, after that the TikTok team will contact you within like 48 to 72 hours, which is basically 2 to 3 days. So don't worry about that, and they will be able to help you easily. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.